In here is a whole iceberg lettuce and a whole pack of beetroot. I really don't fancy this, and it's going to be torture eating, but I'm going to eat it. It's going to go down. I'm going to record myself eating this earthly food.
I'll tell you what to do to it. I'm quite good at doing it. Just suck around it.
Laura, can you see it?
Yeah.
I feel myself eating that salad. It's all going down.
Yeah, I can see it.
It's rolling there.
Right, like this down.
Yeah, it's
Shoulder.
rolling there.
Do it gentle. Do the whole thing.
Laura's eating sweet tamarind.
Take the shell off. The whole shell off.
I'm going to eat that salad now. We'll start at, what time is it? 3:15. Thank you, God, for this whole earthly food you have provided for me. Receive your thanks in Jesus' name.
And after you've done that, now,
Oh.
you've got to live your left for that. So you just pull it off. Do you like it?
Why is it hard in the winter to eat this sort of food in the winter? In the summer it goes down easy.
Because it's bloody cold. You're looking at something like a salad, it's just, you're looking at it and think, this is cold.
It's good for you.
It's lovely, isn't it?
You're caught on camera, Dad.
Tony's enjoying his little salad. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Better than casserole. Who wants casserole when I've got salad? Who wants a nice lasagna when I've got a nice salad?
I've been teased, I have.
Oh, I need it so nice.
Lovely. Here's my dessert. Sweet tamarind. More. Sweet tamarind. Thailand.
Lovely. Oh, I missed them, I have. Dad, where's this go? Where's this go? You going to get some of that on?
I think seriously large pineapple strawberry. Tastes delicious fruit. Great served chilled summer fruits. It tells you what it's good to eat with it, so.
Oh, beetroot's awful, man.
Summer fruits, chicken, seafood, and cheese and stuff.
10+3 is like doing that one. How long does it take to devour this bowl?
About 2.
I'm going to bung this on YouTube, I have. The punishing salad.
Do another one there.
It's so cold.
Carl Sundown said it's easier to juice this and drink it than to eat like this. I love chewing. Tune my mind to eat it. You know, the weather and people around you saying don't eat it, making it hard for you. It's going down. Tune my brain to make it go down. It's going down.
Thanks, we've got to put a bit of sugar in this.
There's no salad, no dressing, no salt, nothing added. Just iceberg lettuce, whole iceberg lettuce,
6 eggs.
and a pack of
I think so.
pack of beetroot, 5 of them. Just cough for myself a salad.
suppose when you eat that sort of thing, you don't like things like bacon and chipolata sausages and that, do you, Tony?
I wonder how many calories in a whole iceberg lettuce. Compared to meat, how many calories in this?
I really prefer that than bacon.
Oh yeah, definitely, yeah. This is much better, man. God, it's an egg. Oh, egg, you feel.
Right, yeah.
You eat this, you feel pure, clean, you feel really pure. But it's eating it. It's eating. When you, I'm alright now, but initially eating it.
There's someone sitting over there with bacon, eggs and all that, and you're sitting there, that will bother you. That will bother you, Tony.
I can see me in there eating.
Yeah, probably. I'm trying to rack my brain what we did.
You should there, so you eat it as well. Imagine. Because you're eating healthy food as well. My Laura's eating sweet tamarind. She's eating good stuff. Sweet tamarind. I've got a sweet tamarind as my dessert after this salad. It's been 5 minutes now. You reckon I'll eat all of that?
Smell the beetroot from here.
Can't stand down to the nutrients in this. So you've got nutrients in the greens.
Might put juice down there, Carl's juice.
Pardon?
Juice, you know.
Can't hear you.
Carl likes his juice.
He likes his juice.
Yeah.
I call it fitness training. This is our fitness training. This is fitness training.
I call it Thai-style Atlantic salmon. Or fish cake.
Fishy.
Thai-style, yeah.
I'm literally scoffing myself now.
He's really enjoying that. Look, I see he's getting hot into that. I'm sure I like bacon, or look. Some more bacon there. More for bacon. Well, there's some eggs and sausages.
Oh, you can't be
I've eaten raw spinach. Oh. All raw. I'll pack a raw spinach.
No, you got a baby one. You best eat a rhino for salads. Best eat a rhino for salads and healthy food.
I mean, to eat a whole bowl like this.
That's why it looks so good.
Whole. That's why I look 50, 53, 52. It looks well, so well. It's the mind got you in the brain today.
They're the little ones, aren't they?
Thank you. Think, I'm 52, right? I will look well, wait till I'm 80.
You've got to.
My grandmother's 105. When you see how well she looks, you won't believe it. My grandmother's 105 years old and she's strong. You won't
Got
believe
it where you can have
You
more
would
children.
be for shocked. What she eats.
Your mum looks well, so.
She's lots of this kind of stuff. Natural foods.
What fruit?
All yams, fruit, plantain, breadfruit, papaya, passion fruit, mangoes, coconut water. Coconut water, you know, coconut jelly, fish, freshly caught fish.
Yeah. Oh, these are addictive.
Making sure I chew it so it digests properly.
One more.
It's too big, that business.
You like a rabbit?
Shall I? You dare me to put it in the mouth?
No, it's too big. It's that hard bit down my throat. These are soft. You might want to put yours in the fridge for a while.
Hmm?
They're soft.
I can see you. Nothing is too hard.
Nice.
I test the taste of beetroot. But it's good for you, so I'm eating it. I don't eat the salad, I feel good. You feel it?
Yeah, you need help with it.
There's a lot of water in this salad, packed in nutrients.